video we are going to see solutions of MCQs of chapter similarity. In the description box below, I have shared the links of uploaded MCQ videos. Those who are new to my channel can go to the playlist ICSE 10 MCQs of my channel, where you can find the required topics. And yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Get the Math and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Now here you must first get the concept of similarity clear. This is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So what does this mean? In similarity, we write the name of the triangle in such an order that the corresponding alphabets denote the equal angles. So here A is equal to, this A is equal to D, then B is equal to, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, and the sides are proportional to each other. AB upon DE will be equal to BC upon EF, that will be equal to AC upon DF, and that will be equal to some constant. So these are the requirements for a triangle to be proved as similar. Okay, and this is the symbol for similarity. So let us start with the MCQs. Who invented similarity in geometry? Euclid, Pythagoras, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, or Gauss? So it is Leibniz. In the given figure, angle ABC equal to angle BDC equal to 90. Choose the correct similarity. So this is the given triangle and B is equal to D. It is given as 90 here. Okay, and C is common for both the triangles. So remaining will be A will be equal to B. So the correct option is ABC will be similar to triangle BDC. This is option 3 is the correct option. As in similarity we have seen above, we write the name of the triangle in such an order that the corresponding alphabets denote the equal angles. In similarity, the figures are equal in shape but not necessarily equal in size, equal in shape and size, equal in size but not necessarily equal in shape, and not equal in shape and size. So option 1 is the correct option, that is equal in shape but not necessarily equal in size. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR, then angle R is. So this is the given triangle ABC whose angle A is 70 and angle B is 50, and this is the triangle PQR whose R angle you have to find. Now for this triangle you know the two angles, so find the third one, that is C. But ABC is similar to QPR. As we have seen above, the angles, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore A will be equal to Q, B will be equal to P, and C will be equal to R here. But A is 70 and B is 50. Therefore angle C will be 180 minus 70 plus 50, that is 60. And since C is 60, C is equal to R, therefore R will also be 60. So this angle will be equal to 60. So option 2 is the correct option for this case. In the given figures, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR, then the value of X is. So you have to find the side here. AC is 6, BC is 4.5 and QR is 3. You have to find PR here. Since the triangles are similar, therefore write the sides in proportion, that is AC upon QR equal to BC upon PR. You have to write the required ones. So this is the proportionality. Now AC is 6 upon 3 and BC is 4.5 and PR is X. So X is equal to 2.25. So option 1 here is the correct option. In similarity, the value of K is dash than 1 if the given triangle is reduced in size. So if the given triangle is reduced in size, the value of K is less than 1. And if it is given, if the triangle is enlarged in size, then the value of K will be more than 1. In this case, it is less than 1 since it is reduced. If in two triangles ABC and PQR, AB upon QR equal to BC upon PR equal to CA upon PQ, then, so this is the given proportionality of the sides. Okay, now if you arrange these sides here, so this will be PQ upon CA equal to QR upon AB equal to RP upon BC. Therefore, the proportionality becomes PQR is similar to CAB. So PQR is similar to CAB. So option 1 is the correct option. In triangle ABC and DEF, angle B equal to E, F equal to C and AB equal to 3 times DE. So we have to show that these two triangles are congruent but not similar, similar but not congruent, neither congruent nor similar, or congruent as well as similar. So consider these two triangles. These two angles have been given, they are equal, but the sides here they have been given as AB equal to 3D, that becomes AB upon D equal to 3 upon 1. So this is in the proportionality form, and therefore the triangles are similar. They are not congruent but they are similar. So they are similar but not congruent. So option 2 is the correct option. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DE. The length of CD is, so AB is parallel to DE, so length of CD you have to find. So the sides have been given, so write them in proportionality form. So AB upon ED equal to BC upon CD here. 5 by 3 equal to 4.5 by x, so x is 2.7. So 2.7, that is option 2 is the correct option. In similar triangles, volume of the resulting triangle is equal to dash times the volume of the given triangle. So for similar triangles, volume of the resulting triangle will be equal to k cube times the volume of the given triangle. Option 3 is the correct option. Which of the following axiom is not used to prove similarity between triangles? So we have seen SAS, AA, or it is also taken as AAA criteria, ASA and SSS, but here ASA we are not using for similarity. So option 3 is the correct option. If in triangle ABC and DEF, AB upon DE equal to BC upon FD, then they will be similar when. So you can see in both these cases B is common and here D is common. So when angle B will be equal to angle D, then they will be similar. So option 3 is the correct option. Question 13 here. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC and all measurements are in centimeter. Then length of AE is. So this length you have to find. So DE is parallel to BC, it is given. Okay. Now write the proportionality here. AD, this is AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. So write the measurements. That is 3 by 4 equal to x by 3. The measurements have been given in the figure. Okay. Therefore value of x becomes 2.25 centimeter. So this is option 2 is the correct option. Question 14. It has been given that triangles ABC is similar to triangle PQR with BC upon QR equal to 1 by 3. The ratio of the side has been given. Then you have to find the area of the triangle is equal to area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC. Now you can see here this is side BC upon QR, but the triangle PQR is in the numerator and ABC is in the denominator. So you have to flip these sides. So instead of BC upon QR, you have to write QR upon BC will be equal to 3 by 1. Now triangle of PQR upon area of triangle of ABC is K square, that we know. So K square means the side square. So side is 3 by 1, its square is 9. So 9, that is option 1 is the correct option. Similarly for the above question you can find the volume also. If volume has been given, then you have to take K cube and make the cube of the side and then find the value, right? If area of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9, then the corresponding sides are in the ratio. Now here area has been given, you have to find the sides. So area is given 4 by 9, 4:9, okay? So its sides you have to find. So area equal to K square. Therefore k will be equal to 4 by 9. Therefore k is 2 by 3. So 2:3, that is option 3 is the correct option. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC, then x will be equal to. So here DE is parallel to BC, then x will be equal to. So in some of the cases you have to prove that the triangles are similar. Therefore in this case, ADE, consider this triangle ADE and triangle ABC here. Okay, angle A is common to both the triangles, and angle D here, this one and this angle, these both are corresponding angles to each other. Therefore these two are also equal, and we have proved that these two triangles are similar by AA axiom, and therefore we will write its proportionality now. AD upon AB will be equal to D upon BC. AD is 3, AB is 5, DE is 4 and BC is x. So x is here 6.7. So 6.7 here is the correct option. Okay. So these are some of the MCQs on similarity. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Get the math.